সবাই একবার জোরে হাততালি দেবে। Come on, all the kids, put your hands together. জোরে হাততালি, come on everybody. জোরে হাততালি, come on, all the kids, put your hands together.
Respected dignitaries on the stage, all the members of Lions Club, the Round Table and the Ladies Club, and most importantly, the parents of all the children who are here. आप सभी को मेरा बहुत बहुत प्रणाम. As the President of Special Olympic Bharat, I want to give some very powerful message to the society. Today, when I look at the flag of Lions Club, 12th edition of Lions Club, Ladies Club and Round Table Club. Thank you so very much for creating an environment. Disability is not the physical or mental disability. The biggest is that to be brave in making the attempt. And I'm really thankful that this is the oath of Special Olympic Bharat, and a good round of applause for all of you here. I always say to the people around me that the world needs an inclusive society where a people is judged by their abilities and not by anything else, and we need a society full of inclusiveness, and I believe that soon we'll have a society full of inclusiveness. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Members of Round Table India, Round Table Ladies Circle, all the other organizations involved in this program, all the kids, teachers and everyone present here, a very warm good morning to all of you. So whenever I attended this program, the level of energy and enthusiasm seen in this program is unparalleled. So I think the kids are already restless to join the sports activities. So I wish everyone, all the organizers for this wonderful event, a very good success for this event. Thank you so much.
My dear friends, Rupesh Kumar, IPS, Joint CP Kolkata, the dignitaries on the dais, the members of the Lions Club, the Round Table, and other organizations which are associated with this noble cause. This particular effort, Asaएं, it's a wonderful effort, and my first interaction with this association was, and I started knowing this organization very well when I became CP Havra in the year 2015. And my 3 years in Havra, I could actually come to know about how good the Lions Club and the round table which was coming up, they are doing so nice, and especially in the field of social work, especially for these kids. It's wonderful initiative, I would say, and the kids are amazing. And Mr. President was telling that India is doing so good in this particular Olympics, and our kids have been winning most of the awards across the globe. So it's really fascinating, and these are only possible because a larger section of society is coming up behind them and providing them all the opportunities. I wish all the best to, and especially my salute to the parents of the special kids who have been always behind them and recognizing their talents and inspiring them. As requested by the Lions Club, I announce the 12th edition of Asaएं, this is Sports Open.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। मैं हमारे पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर
Equally.